Today we got something special. We're in Windber, PA, and we're photographing old antique streetcars.
Ranging from 100 years old to 50.
I'm here with Ed Metzka. We're going to take pictures of streetcars today, folks, so come along. It's a little different than what I thought it would be when I made arrangements to be here. I've been trying to get into this location for 5-6 months and kept being delayed, and finally got in here today, and the undergrowth, the overgrowth is so bad. There is cars over here. I've seen pictures of this where you can see a V shape of cars on this side, cars on that side, on both sides of the track. I see a couple shots here that I'm taking. I like the texture of the panels here. I like the blue paint. I like the peeling paint. Here I'm seeing repetitious lines.
Right.
With the windows and the greenery in the background, this is a nice shot right here. Ed was telling me that the vandals come in here breaking windows and spray painting everything in sight. But look at all these broken windows here, all from vandals. Unnecessary. Cheap thrills these kids get. Here I saw a shot of this rust, this golden color rust on the bottom of this train. And we got repetitive lines here, which I always like, and warm colors, and with the black outlines there's a nice graphic composition here. Check it out. We're going to take it inside, see what kind of images we can get. I feel like I'm going into a tunnel or something here. Looks a little ominous. Not complete darkness, but very dark. And I'm getting some nice patterns here with these broken windows. So, windows here, windows over here. But I like the shine on the top of these chrome rails here, on top of these seats here to make the photograph. And JTC, Johnstown Traction Company, he said. So look at the old logo, but look at the texture on here.
Johnstown had streetcars until around 1960, plus or minus.
And what year did this one come in?
Oh, this is made in the 20s.
Let's get back here a little bit, look at it. Okay, well that about wraps it up here at the streetcars in the Windber, PA. So thanks for coming along, and if you got anything out of this, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you'll be alerted when the next video comes out. So we'll see you next time.